Welcome to My Adventure Unfolded. Please like and subscribe for more amazing journeys.
Let us all start the show by welcoming our flag-raising bird, Bandit! Bandit is a green-winged macaque. As you can see, their body is covered with mostly red plumage. Their wing and tail feathers are blue and green. This macaque has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. They are the second largest parrot next to hyacinth macaque. And there you go. Our show has officially started. A round of applause for our flag-raising bird, Bandit! Hello everyone, Mayang hapon sa inyong tanan. Welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. I am Adrian, your host for today. Now our next featured birds are just like any married couples, monogamous, meaning they are partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, isn't it? Now as any couples will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Now let's meet Blue and Goldie, a beautiful pair of blue and gold macaque. And today they will battle about who's the best in a basketball game. But before we continue, let me divide you into two groups. Now for the girls, let me hear you cheer for Goldie. Come on girls, say Goldie, Goldie. Alright, now for the boys, let me hear you cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say Go Blue, Go Blue. Alright, good. Now friends, words, ready, set, go. Here comes Blue with his first ball. Come on, Goldie, catch up. Second ball from Blue already. First ball from Goldie. Come on, look at the winner here. Second. And Blue wins. That's alright, Goldie. Better luck next time. Irvin, you guys lose this time. What can you say?
Hey, I want another race.
Oh, another race?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Goldie to lose again? I assure you, this time, me and Goldie will win. So, what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race?
I'm thinking of a ring race.
What is a ring race?
The first bird in the drop clears into the pool the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
Okay, a ring race it shall be. And remember, boys have already 1 point. So, let us cheer out for Goldie to win this time. And it'll be a ring race. So, trainers, birds, ready, set, go! Hey, Goldie, here comes Louis' first race! Come on! Hey, Louis, here is the step of Goldie, and Goldie wins this time! Alright, good job, Goldie! Okay, trainers at the same time, what can you say about that technique? Hey, you guys cheated! You cheated!
We didn't cheat. Goldie is her brain.
Oh, so easy to do that. Girls are more intelligent than the boys. Alright, give it up for Blue and Goldie. Now, parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now, here comes Bandit once again as they show us how intelligent he is by putting the chain strike back to its correct slot. And just like that, green-winged macaques are from South America. They are known as the gentle giants with rat family, and they can grow up to 80 centimeters in length and can live up to 70 years old. Green-winged macaques typically feed on sea And also, their scientific name once again is Archaeopteryx. They are the second largest macaw next to the hyacinth macaws.
Triangle.
Alright, Bandit, last thing.
Diamond.
And it did! A round of applause for Bandit. So everyone, I have here an object, which I will hide under one of these three silver cups. Now where do you want me to put the object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Left, right, middle. Alright, let's put it right here. Now let's call it a tiny bird, Goldie. Goldie is a blue and gold macaw. Blue and gold macaws have a beautiful shade of blue on their backs and a solid shade of yellow on their bellies and inner wings. Now, do you think Goldie has the ability to fly within an object? If you believe in Goldie, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. Alright, Goldie, fly within an object for us, please.
Number go to find, no?
And we did it! Applause for Tiger Goldie. Now this time, I'll be needing an adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Anyone who wants to volunteer with a 500 peso bill? Adults only. Anyone? Come on, don't be shy. Anyone who has a 500 peso bill? Any adults?
Go.
Okay, sir, please come here on stage. Now, as you all have noticed, most of the birds in our show are parrots. That is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically kind. So, sir, please come here on stage. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. May I have your name?
My name is Jovan.
Jovan. Okay. So, sir, please stay right here. Please give a round of applause for Mr. Jovan. And sir, may I have your 500 peso bill? It's okay. I won't take it. I will hold it. Now, I want you to stand right there. Face towards me. Extend your left arm like this. As I'll be putting the 500 peso bill between your fingers. Okay? So, sir, do you know what will happen next?
I have an idea.
Okay, well, you'll see. Now, here comes our money bird, Blue. Now, sir, are you ready? Better be, because here comes Blue. Blue flies over, gets the money, flies back, and I guess Blue donated the money! Thank you so much, sir. But sir, before you go back to your seat, may I ask you, did you know that Cebu Ocean Park is a wildlife rescue center for the animals? Well, now you know. And your money will go a long, long way, and we're really grateful for that. Thank you so much, sir. You can go back to your seat. So, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Alright, how about another volunteer this time? Well, anyone who has a 1,000 peso bill? Anyone? Any volunteer? It's a donation for the animals. Anyone? No more? Mr. Jabal? Are you okay? Yeah, your friend looks sad. So, don't worry, sir. Please come back here on stage. We'll give you your money back. It's just part of the show. Come back here, sir. And before we give you your money back, Blue wants to have a photo session with you. Would that be okay? And sir, you can take a photo of your friend. Yeah, you can take a photo of your friend. So just follow the instructions of Abby. And also look to the camera, sir. Smile together with Blue. Alright, thank you so much, and here's your money back. Thank you so much. Give a round of applause for volunteer and their money worth, Blue.
What we're doing there?
Alright, so this time, we are going to show you Blue's amazing flying ability. Again, Blue is a blue and gold macaw. Blue and gold macaw belong to the large group of parrots, measuring about 80 centimeters in length, and can live up to 70 years old. And Blue can fly great heights. We'll show you more of his amazing flying ability. Blue and gold macaw has dark, black beaks and eyes. Blue and gold macaws frequently feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they love corn. There you go, Blue and our friends. Now this time, this last part of our show, I'll be needing one female volunteer. No more money involved. Any female volunteer? Yes, ma'am. Come here on stage. Now this time, we will meet Sunshine. So ma'am, may I have your name? My name is Elisha. Give her an applause for Miss Elisha. Come here, ma'am. Follow me. I want you to stand right here. Now, Miss Elisha, do you have any idea what kind of animal you will see today? No idea? Well, I'll give you one. This next animal is our cutest, fluffiest, and most gorgeous animal here in Zoological Park. So, are you ready to meet Sunshine? Alright, so everyone, let's all meet Sunshine! I guess, sure. I guess Sunshine is missing. But don't worry, just stay right there first. And our staff will look for her. So please stay calm and just be seated. We will look for Sunshine.
Sunshine. Wanted to sunshine.
Yeah. Our staff said that Sunshine is inside a box. Has anyone seen a box around here? Has anyone seen? Can you please check that box? Is Sunshine inside? Oh, so Sunshine is inside the box. So it's Ocean Park, we believe there is no. We only not try to take care of friends in the sea, but to those who are in the land and air as well. Now, who here knows the three R's? It's the reduce, reuse, and recycle. Alright, now let's give it up for our lovely birds once again, and they'll show us the proper waste disposal. Sad to say that a lot of our animals right now are living their lives in struggle because of pollution and improper waste management. So let us come together and help save one of the most greatest creation and gift of Mother Nature. Only if we understand can we care, and only if we care can we help, and only if we help shall we be saved. See, if our birds can do it, so can we. So everyone, that ends our show. Are the animals spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let us take action in saving them from extinction. Let's take part in saving our world because remember, this is the only home we got. So let me present to you our animals and friends that made the show possible. We have Albie and Blue. We have Irvin and Goldie. And also we have Sunshine and PJ. Along with our other friends, again, this is me, your host, Adrian, your host for today. Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.